Hello mga kalala! Hello! Good morning! Today I'm going to do my project today. I'm going to cut one of the branch on top my house roof. So as you see, there's a branch is sitting on my son's bedroom roof right there. I'm gonna cut it off. So I already seated the 6-foot ladder right there, all the way to the top. So I'm gonna climb up here like a monkey. So that's what I'm gonna do, mga kalala. So first of all, I am going to, before I do that, you see, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cut that because he said that if it's windy. So first of all, mga kalala, I have to put this because couple weeks ago I was working in my yard and I got eaten with bugs, mosquitoes. Because my house, it's all the way to the top. So yeah. So there you go, mga kalala. I got all my, so there's no bugs will bite me. So I'm gonna climb up all the way in there, as you guys see. That's where I'm going to go, mga kalala. I'm going to use this one because it's not really, I'm gonna use this one because it's not really big branch. So this one will be perfect. I'm just gonna sew it like this. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I got my eye protection also, just in case something, you know. Daddy, I'm ready. So, as you guys know, yeah, I mean, this one is for safety.
Somebody really needs to hold the ladder.
I am. Oh, this? It's okay that it's not.
Not if it slides.
Look like a monkey. Can you see, Daddy, if I'm taping it right?
I don't know. I can't do that without looking at it and being on camera.
You can pause it if you. Daddy! No, you don't see if your hands only. It's on the very bottom. He doesn't like to be in the camera. Mga kalala. Can you see me? My virginity. You can pass it now, Daddy. So mga kalala, I got all these branches that I need to cut. So I can get rid of this, so I can take it out in the back, behind my fence, and I can just throw it there. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have to cut because it's a big branch. And with me being a superwoman, it's too heavy for me to do it still, even though I'm superwoman. So, that's what I'm going to do, mga kalala. Ay, ay, ay. I'm gonna drink water first, mga kalala, and rest. So, mga kalala, I'm going to separate this and cut it in tiny pieces so that it's easy for me to carry all the way to the back. Also, so that's what I'm gonna do. 3 boys, mga kalala, but I like to work it I don't like them helping me because I like it my way, and if they don't follow my way, I get mad. Yes. See, mga kalala, it's easy to carry when it's out. So mga kalala, I'm done with this 2 big branch here. Now I'm gonna go over there and do the rest. So there, I'm done with that one. Now I'm just gonna put it. Oh my gosh, I'm so messy. Messy lady. I'm ready for this one that has these really big branches here. Kalala, I can't find my gloves, and I don't really want to go to Home Depot and buy some. So, ay, ay, ay. Dami kong, this is a lot of branches I need to cut, mga lala. Hopefully I'll be done today. I think I'm just gonna throw this inside the fence so I can just go in there, go around there and throw it behind somewhere in behind the trees in there, my fence. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw it out. That way I don't have to go around and make a long trip. Maskarado na si Lola. So, mga kalala, as you know, this here, this is coconut shells also. I'm resting with my cutting trees for now. So, but while I'm doing, I'm gonna show you guys. See, this is coconut because I used to do some carving, coconut carve in shape it, and this one, hi, shoot, this one. It's already clean, but all I need to do is shine it. This is supposed to be what is that? Toothbrush holder. Toothbrush holder. I'm not yet done, but this is supposed to be toothbrush holder. And this is like, see, it's a cup. So, I'm not yet finished, mga kalala. See, I still got a lot of here. So now this one here, it's my equipments. This one here, it's all my tools to use to carve my coconut shells. That's all my tools in there, mga kalala. So that one. Yes! This table here, I'm gonna clear this up. Once I'm done all this, I'm gonna clear up the garage in this table here. I'm going to clear this up because that's where I'm going to sit down and make my coconut carving. Mga kalala, I'm super tired. Oops. Rest muna tayo, mga kalala. Rest. Boy. My husband didn't even come out and check if I'm okay. Oh my gosh, that guy, I swear. He doesn't like to work outside the yard or inside the house. He's always in his computer. Oh my gosh, I have a cut. I didn't even notice. Look, mga kalaos. I didn't even know I have a cut. My goodness. Mga kalaos, the only good thing about these trees, this kind of trees, right here, I don't know if you can see it clear. I think it's the trees, it's very soft to cut. So thank goodness. So it didn't really give me hard time. The only thing that give me hard time, mga kalala, is climbing up all the way up there. Trying so hard not to break my bones again, because as you guys see, a couple months ago I broke my arms. But this time it's for not doing nothing. I was just walking up all the way upstairs and I lost control and I bounced all the way downstairs. Oh my gosh. Mga kalala, I need my grandkids, especially the little ones, come over and make my tiredness go away. But they always do, only if I'm not doing anything anymore. But obviously I can't do it if they're here. I can't finish my work or they'll be climbing up all over in the trees. So yeah, I need them to make my tiredness and sadness go away. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Okay, I have to put my eye protection, mga kalala, because when I cut the branch, sometimes the little tiny the leaf can like slap in my face. and I want to poke my eye with that. So at least while I'm cutting, my son, he is my 19 years old son, he is helping me throwing the little branch. So yeah, I want him to throw that branches that I already cut in tiny pieces first, so that way the front will clear up first, and then I can do the rest later. I like asking my 19 years old son because he's like me. He doesn't fuss when you ask me favor for asking me something to do something, and he's the same way. He doesn't fuss with me if I ask him to do something for me. So I like to ask him instead of my 23. I mean my 24 years old son. So yeah. Mga kalala, I need big time shower later. My son, he's really good of helping me. He never complained. That's gonna be a lot. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, mga kalala, but behind the, I'm just gonna put it there behind, most of it behind the trees. Got a lot of, I have big trees in the back. Mga kalala, as you see, it's almost done. I'm almost done. I got a few more big branch that I have to cut, but I'm done in this area here. So it's getting cleared. I look awful, mga kalalas. As you see, mga kalala, there is not too much branches sitting on my son's roof bedroom. So I think I did a good job, but that one right there, that is still kind of like about to grow more and closer to my son's roof bedroom. I might have to cut it, but I'm gonna wait for another month or so. I'm tired already, so there you go, mga kalala. At least it looks clear now, but yeah, the roofing people are supposed to come next week, so this will be perfect that there's no branches on top and the roof, so it won't be in their way while they're working on the roof. So here you go, mga kalala. I'm finished cutting all the branches. As you see, all that branch that I cut, I just threw it back over here in my back into my fence, because I am going to go throw it away all the way to the backwoods over there and back in my fence area. If you can see, my backyard is surrounding with woods. I'm gonna see if I can throw this back that way behind my fence. So there you go, mga kalala. I hope you like my project today. Oh my gosh, mga kalala, I'm super dirty and tired, and I'm gonna go over there and throw the branch, and I'm not gonna even go ahead and video it. But I wanna say thank you so much for you guys' support. I hope you like my project today, cutting the branches of my trees, and it looks really nice and clear. See, but there is a big branch that I can't do it myself, so it's one of my neighbors. She said she's gonna cut it. She's gonna hire someone to cut it. So she's gonna just cut it for me, and that way it won't be slapping when it's windy. It won't be slapping on in her roof. So there you go, mga kalala. Thank you so much, mga kalala. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish my branch and throw it somewhere outside my fence, so I can go ahead and clean up and relax. And mga kalala, thank you so much, and be safe out there, and thank you, and please subscribe in my video and thumbs up, and push the bell button so you can notified with my next video coming up. So mga kalalas and everyone else, thank you, love you, be safe, bye.